In this video, I'll show you how to see comments and replies on threads. So in order to see comments and replies on a particular post on threads, you first need to head over to the Threads application, and from here you'll see a list of all of the different threads. Now in order to check the comments and replies for these threads, you want to click the white space around the thread that you want to view. And as you can see, this will take me over to the comments section in the post. Now if you want to see a reply that someone's made to one of these comments, then you'll have this option that says show replies next to the comment, and we can just click that and it will show you all of the replies for that particular comment. If it doesn't have the show replies option, it means nobody's replied to the comment. And another way that you can see all of the replies from a particular account is you can just head over to the profile of the account, and then you can scroll down and click on replies from the profile, and this is going to show you all of the replies that this person's made on the Threads app. And that's just another way that you can see someone's replies. And that's it, guys. That's how you see comments and replies on threads. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.